Hi everyone, it's me, Van. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super easy, quick makeup routine for you all. This is my everyday, well, kinda everyday makeup routine I wear to work or if I'm just going out to like a mall or whatever. So I really hope you enjoy this. So let's just jump right into the video. Okay, so let's get started on this face. I'm wearing no makeup right now, no brows or anything. I just put tone on my face and moisturizer. My foundation I've been loving lately is the WetnWild Photo Focus Foundation. So we're gonna apply this today. This is in the shade Mocha. Now I think that they don't have enough shades for deeper skin tones, like at all. I found this in CVS and this shade is like a little too dark for me, so I lighten it up with like powders and stuff. But I really love the finish of this. Now I wouldn't recommend this foundation if you're going anywhere that you would be sweating and stuff, because I think like it's not sweat proof. From my experience, it does break apart when you start sweating like crazy. But if it's just gonna be a pretty chill day, I would highly recommend it because the finish is flawless and it's like I think $5 or $6. So this foundation isn't full coverage, but it has a pretty good coverage for every day. So what I'll do, I'll just apply a thin layer like this, and then I'll go back in and spot treat areas that I think needs a little more coverage. So I have like some marks that need to get covered a little better, and it's really nice and buildable, so I love that. Yeah, I just wanted to update you all on the makeup that I'll wear every day now. I do have a video, like a kind of everyday look, but that was from, I think it was 2 years ago, and my makeup routine has changed since then. That one was like a powder foundation tutorial, and I don't use powders that much anymore, powder foundations, just mainly because I have like a little more marks on my skin and it's too much concealing, so I was like, why not just go in with a full coverage foundation, and I think it's faster. Yeah, I think it's just faster this way for me at least. Next step is to conceal. This concealer is finishing real quick, maybe because I use it so much. This is my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel. I really love this one. So I just go kind of ham with this. This shade really brings back this foundation because this foundation is pretty orange, as you can see, and it's a little too dark. So when I apply this, it looks good. Okay, so once I put my concealer on, I just get my powder ready. I take it out, get it ready, because I like to set immediately after I blend out, well, at least under my eyes. I just take this powder foundation from Jordana and I kind of dust away the powder, but I just place this on the edges. So I just go on my forehead like that. Okay, so next, once the foundation, everything is on, I go in and I apply my blush. I don't contour on an everyday basis. I just contour my nose on an everyday basis, but not like my whole face. That's like way too snatched. Oh, I'm using this e.l.f. blush. This is in the shade Brick Red. I love blush, so this is like a staple. You would not see me out without blush on. I'm gonna go in and contour my nose a little. I use this angle brush to contour my nose, and I use this shade from Sleek. I've had this forever, and I just mainly use this to contour my nose so it lasts really long. I'm just bringing some dimension back into my face. Okay, and once I have these two lines on my nose, I just blend it out with this brush and just literally rub it like that to diffuse the lines. Okay, so once I have all these powders on, I tend to go and spray my face. I either use just plain water in a spray bottle, or I do rose water. So this right now I think is just plain water. I spray quite a bit, just dry down a bit, and now time for highlight. On an everyday basis, most times I use my Becca highlighter in the shade Topaz. This one isn't super beaming, but it is nice and soft, so it looks good every day for like a kind of natural look. On the tip of my nose, I make sure it's all nicely blended. So once we have our base, I then go in and I do my eyebrows. For that, I'm using my WetnWild Ultimate Brow Kit. This is in the shade, I think it's ash brown. I really love, this is like a holy grail product, seriously. So you have like brow wax here, and this is the shade I use like all the time on my eyebrows. So I just dip my brush in the wax, and then I dip my brush into the color, just a brow powder, and then I brush my brows up. I start at the tail of my brows. I try not to go in too hard for every day because I'm just trying to get the makeup on as quick as possible. It's not the most perfect. I just try to even them out because they're naturally uneven. And then I brush them up again. Like so. These are my everyday brows. Because you know there's different kind of brows, guys. You have the Instagram brow, the everyday brow, the I'm not trying brow, you know, the going out brow. You have that picture slay brow. Next, I take my concealer, not the same concealer I used under my eyes. This is a different concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour. I was using this religiously under my eyes because I love this concealer, and I totally kind of ran out, but I just use like the remnants from what I have left. I just use them on my brows because I love this shade to define my brows, and it's so full coverage. It looks like amazing when you use it for under your eyebrows. And I don't care how much time I have, once I'm doing my makeup, I always define my brows. Like, I'm so picky with my brows, guys. Like, it took me a good few years to really get like an idea for my brows, to get vision, to like really know what and how I want my brows to look. That's why I have a hard time like getting my makeup done. Like, I don't care who it is, like I just want my brows done a certain way. I remember I did this photo shoot once, and the makeup artist, she did my brows, and she like just followed the natural shape of my brows, and I didn't really like it because the natural shape of my brows are uneven. So if you just do my makeup and you do my brows and you just fill in my brows like how they naturally are, they will look super uneven. So I had to go back in and like I evened it out and stuff. She didn't mind, you know, because everyone knows like what they like in their face. Yeah, like I've been with my brows for so long, you know, I know that they are uneven and I know how to even them out. You know, sometimes if you watch someone like on first glance, you wouldn't really know that it's like uneven. You really have to analyze their face and stuff. So I didn't blame her for that. It's just that I've been doing my brows so long, I know that, hey, I need to even them out. But she probably wouldn't know that, just like doing my makeup and trying to get it done like quick, trying to get those photos out. So I carried like my full kit of makeup. I just went in, I just fixed them, like even them back, because I'm a makeup artist as well. Not in a disrespectful way, but just to, because you know I have to look good. I don't want to be caught up and down eyebrows. So yeah, that's a quick story time of how picky I am with my eyebrows. It's like a big deal for me. I use this powder I have, and I just put this all over my eyelids. Not really on my brow bone, but I just put it all over my eyelids. Okay, and once I put that powder on, I just go in and just apply tons of mascara. Just apply like 2 coats of this. Okay, so once all that is done, if I have extra time and I'm feeling a little bougie, I do a little like crease shade. This is just a knockoff of Kylie's burgundy palette, I think. So for that, I'll use like either this kind of pinkish shade or I'll use this deep brown shade. So sometimes I mix them. I'll choose some of the pink shade and some of the brown shade just on a fluffy brush, and I'll go into my crease like that. I'm gonna do this real quick, so plenty times I'll do this. Stop. Unless you're really rushing and pressed for time. Yes, I do it after I apply mascara because I just get everything done real quick, and then I see, okay, like, is everyone ready yet? Do I have any more time? And if I have more time, I'll go in and like do this crease action. And once I have that done, I go in and I do my lips. I just take this brown lip liner that I have. If it's too shiny, I'll just blot with a napkin. I usually go for matte lips every day, and I like a kind of neutral-ish kind of shade. So yeah, this is my everyday look. This is like my 10-minute go-to makeup look, hands down. I can always rely on this look to pull me through. People always think like, oh, your face is so done and so beat, you know what I mean? But it's like 10 minutes or less it takes to do this look. So okay guys, so this is my completed look. So I hope you enjoy this video and this tutorial. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified when I upload. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hey, where are you going? Don't forget to check out my other video. Do you have time? Do you want to check out something else? Are you on YouTube just hanging out, just looking for more videos to watch? Well, look no further, because I have a next video right here, or subscribe to my channel right here.